I like to make a short video to show you how to clean your Mighty Mini Cane machine. It's a very simple process and quick. What you will need to clean the machine is some light lubricant. Light lubricant spray like WD-40, sewing machine oil, anything that is a light lubricant and anti-rust spray. Okay? Also, I recommend, if you have access, for alcohol. It can be isopropyl or ethyl alcohol, and this is also very good to have. Next, you'll want to have ordinary liquid dish soap. Okay? You'll want to have microfiber towels. Okay? Microfiber is best for shining your machine and making it look great. Now, after you have made your cane juice and you're ready to clean your machine, these are the procedures to clean the machine quickly and efficiently. Okay, first of all, what you'll want to do is make sure that you turn the power off. Okay, that will be using your emergency stop button, which will cut the power. Okay, the light went off, meaning the power is not going to the machine. But I also recommend that you unplug the machine from your wall socket at this point. Okay, you will remove first your top glass piece here. Okay, this would have a lot of sugarcane juice that squirts and splashes up on it. Okay, and this you can wash a little bit later. All right, now the inside of your rollers are exposed now. What you'll want to do is to take a ordinary kettle, okay, and I want you to heat water in it, all right, but do not boil it. This is extremely important for the lifespan of your bearings. Let me explain why. You'll want warm water, but you don't want it boiling. You see here inside of the juice bin, okay, this is the juicing area. You see these are bearing seals, all right? You want to make sure that your water is warm. It'll break down the juice on the inside, the sticky part of the juice, but don't boil it to where it's boiling hot, because what will happen is it will soften up these seals, okay, and their lifespan will wear very quickly if you use boiling water, and juice will make it into the bearings and your bearings will corrode. Okay, so again, you want to use warm but not boiling water when you clean the rollers. Okay, now what you do is you put a container under the spout. Don't forget to do this or you'll have water everywhere. Okay, and then you simply will pour some warm water over the rollers. Okay, and you can see the water is coming out there. All right, and the next thing that you will need is an ordinary toothbrush. Okay, so you can put dish soap directly on the rollers, or like toothpaste, put it on your brush. Now, simply just scrub your rollers, okay? All right. The warm water will have already taken off most of the juice, all right? So you want to scrub your rollers, scrub the roller shafts, okay? You can get to the lower roller, all right? Okay, scrub your rollers. I think you'll get the point here. Now, at this point, after you have scrubbed your rollers with the toothbrush, you'll want to rinse them again. Okay. All right. And you'll see the soapy water is coming out there. Now, friends, you'll want to plug in your machine again, okay? Because you need to rotate your rollers so that you can clean the bottom side. For the safety precaution, I want you to return your top glass. Even if you haven't cleaned it yet, okay? Return your top glass in its spot, okay? Plug in your machine and turn on the power again. Okay, you see the green light is on. Now, what I want you to do is to take this switch here, which is your forward and reverse. It doesn't matter if it's forward or reverse. And I want you to rotate your rollers 50%. Okay? Rotate them so that the other side is showing. And you'll see sticky juice on the rollers. You'll know what is the bottom side, okay? Now repeat the steps again. Kill the power, okay? Remove your top glass, and you want to scrub again your rollers and shafts, okay? You can scrub the side of the juice pen, okay? Okay, you can get the first roller here at the bottom. You can also reach it, okay? You can also reach the inside of where the cane feed is, all right? Now, once again, rinse your rollers and your shafts in the side of your bin. Rinse it with the warm, not boiling water. Now this piece right here, you can actually just pour some water through the front, okay? Okay, pour some water in there, and then later you can wipe the inside, all right? Now, your juice pen is clean, all right? Now what you want to do is you want to clean your juice tray, okay? Your juice tray will have pieces of sugar cane in it, all right? Now, the juice tray, you simply pull out, okay? I like the technique that, because there's going to be a little bit of liquid in there, I put my finger to block the tube when I pull it out, okay? And if your machine comes with one of these spacers, okay, remove the spacer at this point. Some machines don't have the spacers. The sides of these are flared, the stainless edges, and they don't have this food grade white spacer, but some machines do, okay? Now, what you want to do is wash this in a sink or a bucket of water, okay? Put this in, all right? And then remove your tray. This is your filter, okay? So remove your filter, and you want to wash this, okay? You want to wash it with some soap, some water, okay? And rinse it well. Also here, your juice tray, all right? You want to rinse it out. I'm doing a bit of an abbreviated version, but in your sink, you can do a really good job in washing it, okay? Now, what you want to do is take your microfiber towels. At this point, I would normally put this in the sink too, the top glass. Okay, take your microfiber towels and wipe the inside of your juice bin first. Okay, juice tray. All right, wipe it. Okay, you want to just dry it off. Okay, after that, you will dry your filter. Okay. You see, look at that beautiful SS304 food grade shiny. Shiny is great. Because when something is shiny and clean, you know, the juice is touching it. What's going to go in your body is touching things that are sanitary and food grade. All right. Again, you see the cutout here? It's extremely important that you never forget this, that you always put this cutout facing the hole. Okay? This allows the juice to flow freely, okay? Now wipe it off a bit more, and at this point you can wipe underneath, inside here, where the juice tray goes. You can wipe there, all right? I like to use a little bit of alcohol in there. Okay, put a little bit of alcohol. If you don't have alcohol, it's okay. Just a wet towel is fine. Okay, and wipe inside there. And you can also access from the rear. All right, so wipe under there. Now, what you'll do is you'll return your juice tray into this. Now, if you have, for example, one of these, what we call a spacer, very, very easy. It has it's like a triangle shape, okay? So put the triangle on the edge. This will be on the outside edge, not on the edge of the filter. On the outside edge, just take the triangle, all right, and you'll feed it in there. Okay, get it on there. All right, now just press it down. All right, and you're ready. Replace your tray back in. All right. Okay. Now, what we'll want to do is return our top glass. Okay, so you want to wipe it really well. Okay, wipe it with your microfiber towel. I actually use eyeglass cleaner. It works great. Cleaner, you can use window cleaner. You don't have to, just a microfiber towel is enough, you know. Don't worry about it. Okay, replace your tray, your top glass here. All right. Now you can see the machine is already looking nice and shiny on the inside. Okay, it's time to wipe your hole here. And then on the back of the machine, you can come around here, look on the back. Okay, on the back you can wipe here. This is where your cane slide is. This is where the cane comes out the back. Okay, so you want to wipe that in, because there'll be juice, you know, there'll be juice on these parts a little bit. Okay, all right, so now the inside of the roller area is clean. What I like to do at this point is take some alcohol, because sometimes you put your cups here on the top and, you know, some juice can be sticky, so the alcohol will help. Just use some alcohol and rub down the machine. Okay, don't use too much, or don't apply it on the sticker areas. Okay, just a wet towel is enough on the sticker areas. Okay, and just shine up your machine using the alcohol. Okay, now the very last thing that I do when I clean my Mighty Mini is I apply a light lubricant to the outside of the body. Okay, though this body here is SS304, it's very rust resistant. There are people that live in places that live near the sea where the air is extremely salty, and you'll want to apply a light lubricant no matter where you are. It just makes your machine look so good. Okay, so take your lubricant, okay, spray it on the machine or on your microfiber towel, okay, and shine away with pride. This is our baby, you know. This is our investment, and we want to show it with pride to our friends, to our customers. The cleaner the machine, the more juice you're going to sell, because people can see inside. You know, this one thing that really bothers me about those a lot of those China machines. You can't see inside, you know, and so I sometimes I wonder if they ever even get cleaned. I'm very, very grateful that our design, you can see completely inside. All right, so this is what is called a quick clean. All right, this has taken me about 5 minutes to clean it and explain to you. There is also a way to detail clean the machine, and that is by removing these screws in the front, 4 screws here in the front, and 4 screws in the back, and that will completely open up the juice bin area. Okay, I usually don't do a clean like that if I'm just using it at home. I'll do a quick clean, but if you are operating this for commercial, probably once a day, you'll want to do a complete clean where you will remove all this and you can really get to the inside of the machine. So I hope this video has been helpful for you in how to clean the Mighty Mini cane machine, and this will help to protect your investment for the long term, as well as show a beautiful machine in your home or business. Thank you again for your purchase. I'm David with David's Cane Machine Select.